Hi, this is me Toufic, and you are watching Learn with Toufic Ahmed YouTube channel. So, as a Shopify expert, and I am a Shopify expert, and welcome to my quick product page, high converting product page tutorial breakdown. So, in this short or whatever you call a 5 to 6 minute video, I will fully describe about this high converting Aromabear product page template. So, this is a fully customizable, editable. That I have designed this template, and my clients are using these templates. Okay, so if you are new in my YouTube channel, so I'm requesting to subscribe the YouTube channel and click on the bell icon all, so you will get the all updates, new video updates. Okay, so notification. And if you are not known that, if you are not new, so you don't you know that I have already uploaded Replo Masterclass page builder tutorials. This is also a page builder, which is a so much high converting product landing pages page builder. Okay, so this is not like Pagefly or Gempages. This is Shopify app, but this is so much advanced level page builder. So if you want to uh, do Shopify or e-commerce, so you can use Replo for free. So check the video description. There will be a sign up link, so you can by using the sign up link, you can sign up fully for free by using my link. Okay, for Replo. Let's go to the main point. So look, this is the main products page. Okay, so let's break down it. So what is the main sales funnel or strategy? So at first, the main strategy is one, awareness, interest, decision, and action. We can also call it awareness, interest, or desire. Then the description or the info, and then action, call to action, or CTA buttons. Okay, so first one is awareness. So whenever you spend money or anything, like for Facebook ads, Google ads, or backlinks, or anything, or organic YouTube video, Facebook or TikTok reels, so target the audience, engage potential customers who enter the funnel. So after clicking the link, you enter in the ads or organic content. So after that, they come into their into your website or your store, so it become an interest. So customers interact with the ad and reaching up a landing page for email sign up. So I am recommending you, when you run ads, and like Facebook ads, Google ads, or YouTube organic marketing. So after you making this awareness, just whenever a customer visits on your store, so I am requesting you to add a Klaviyo or Mailchimp, Mailmunch, or anything, or by Shopify's by default email templates, or email from theme, which is coming from theme. So that you can get the lead of the customers at the name, everything. Okay, so emails also. So customer interact with the ad and reaching up to your landing page for email sign up. Then you can decision customer, I mean you have to put everything about the product you are selling, like what is the product, what is the desire of this product, what is the need, what's the main problem, I mean what's the problem, what's the issue, what's the compact, what the product is solving the problem, is the product is solving the problem or not, what is the quality of the product, and what is the review, what's the use of this product, what's the use, I mean what is the uh, features of this product, and is the customers are buying this and worldwide, and some of video tutorials or video reviews. And after that, FAQ section is much needed. So and after that, there will be a CTA. Okay, so customers purchase the solution, and reps follow up to ensure a good experience. So after the whole process, so customers, if customer hooks in your first section, then the second, then the third, and the fourth, then he comes to your main product section and buy this product. If he anyone or customer come to this product minimum 4 to 5 section he crosses, then you become ensured that I mean the customer should buy this, customer will buy this product, because he has the strong idea, he has the strong passion or interest in your product. So he has arrived minimum 4 to 5 section, or he has wrote your advertorials or listing pages or funnels, okay, and the product description, everything about this product. So I have created fully customizable, editable product landing page according to the rules and regulations of I mean the funnels of sales funnels of a product landing page. And your business is my business. How to make a business converting, CR optimizes, optimizing how to increase the AOV. So according to the AOV, average order value, and how to hook the customers. So I have made this template. So look, at first I have added a review. So whenever a customer will arrive in your store or this landing page or product page, so he will see that this is the high rating, that 4.5 to 5 star rating, 1000 plus happy customers, and what is the issue and what is the solution, and what is which type of solution is giving this is provided by this product. So breathe easy and drive it style with the Aromabear air freshener. So the product is about the air freshener of a car, like private car, truck, bus, it's etc. Okay. So there will be feature benefit points. I have added compact, sleek design for any car, rotating, perfect gift for any occasion. You can also send anyone for gift. So then you will we will add a action, call to action. You can add this. There will be scrollable. Okay, the if anyone clicks on it, so it will scroll to this section. So okay, so after that there will be premium quality. This is the market section, which is much needed. In free themes you cannot get it. You will not find it. If you have to buy premium themes like $250 Shopify premium themes are so much valuable and so much high pricing. So you can get it from this template. So after that there will be video section, the about the functionality, about the blend, the style, everything with this video. So after that there will be unique section of the key benefits or key feature points of this high quality materials in the installation. You can change the icons, text, everything, whatever you want. You can also change the video. So after that, some of the content about the product and the high quality images. So this is the Amazon product. Okay, I have found this product in Amazon. This is the winning product. So turn every drive into a refreshing escape. So using there is a gap. So I will show you how to reduce this gap. So I have for this video I have made it. So for showing you how to you can customize it. So I have left it. So I after that there will be some points and the paragraphs about the short description about this product and tribute to the classic fantasy flying. So this is the after the awareness of Facebook ads or Google ads, customer drives into the store and see this attention, awareness, sorry, interest. Okay, this is the attention, there is the interest, what is the product is serving to you or any customers. So and use always use high quality images and icons. So these are them only. So after that you can see that the reviews or testimonials or social proofs you have to add, like we have added a YouTube tutorial or reels. So if you have not tutorial YouTube reels, you can add what you can add. You can add Vimeo HTML video by uploading on Shopify. So after that this is a short YouTube short, so that customers will engage to your product and they will see that this is a Aromabear product freshener. Okay, look, this is a very enjoyable and hopeful, I mean sorry, engaging product, so customer can buy your product easily. So this is a winning product. I have I am giving you free with this template. You can search for the title, you can search with this title or Google lens with this product in Amazon, sorry. So after that we have to add a frequently asked questions. So I added frequently asked questions. So customers should not go with the chat support or anything direct to you. So they can get the most popular or most advanced asked question or most needed questions according to the product. After their decision, if a customer um, crosses these sections, he will definitely the percentage of buying this product is 99.9%, because if a customer or a visitor has not the I mean interest or anything with this product, he will not arrive or visit up to 4 to 5 section, or he will not cause this section. So if anyone, the legal customer who have the interest in your products, he will definitely cross this section, and after that he will see this. This is the high quality images. Always I recommend to use high quality images. So look, there was a spacing. So how can you remove it? Okay, so look, just click on right click on any click on any component and right click on any components, then you can add a open layer tree, and we can see that where is the spacing coming from. Okay, just click on it. Look, there is a 32 pixel spacing. Okay, okay, we can also see everything is good, but why it is looking so many is a gap, because there is a little bit small text, it is more small text, and this is little bigger. For this everything is perfect. And for the tablet, because most of the customers or visitors visit through mobile, so I mean 90% of customers visit from mobile. So most of the needed cases, I mean the most needed devices mobile and desktop, and by through device desktop 5 to 7%, and from mobile tablet 1 to 2% or 3%. So we don't need any tablet. So I will I am customizing it in front of you. So look, this is desktop, fully desktop optimized, and also mobile optimized. So look, you can see that there is a title, there is a review, product price, product compare price, and sale. Because this is the sale, so customer will hook that this is a 33% off. So I can buy it in a I mean, and in a discount. So this is the interest or call to actions. There is a call to action. Okay, so this is the hurry up limited time offer. So it creates the hurriness in customer or visitors to buy this product, that this is the limited time offer. You can provide limited time offer. There will be a countdown time, because it is so effective for a landing page or product page. There will be product and quantity buttons, and look, this is the one of the most engaging: free shipping, easy returns, support 24 by 7. I am recommending you to use like a chatbot or anything app to give a support through face. There is so much apps in your Shopify, like TDO chatbot. I mean, so much like apps. TDO chatbot is popular. So and the main one of the most important thing, and this is a sticky add to cart. So there is a percentage of component, product price. It reminds the customer multiple times whenever he scrolls this. He this reminds the customer that you have to buy this product. This product is so much engaging, so much helpful, so much problem solution. This product solution. This is the problem solving product. So let's make this tablet optimized. How can you customize it? I am showing you in this quick video. Okay, so look, there is a advanced option. Click on this advanced option, and look, there is the main. After that, 40 margin. So we need this. We can just paste it on here. Okay, this is the padding. 20 padding. Okay, it's perfect now. For 24. Okay, perfect. We know don't have to keep put hands on this. Okay, 40, 32, 40. Just reduce. How to reduce paddings? I am showing you. 40, 40, 20, 20. Okay, okay, and I am just showing you something, that if you need this template just for uh, uh, let's go to the link. Okay, just copy the link in the description and show me support by buy me a coffee, because this I am selling just for $40, not for $40. It's a I have added a look. If I go to incognito mode, because this is my own accounts, I have opened. So if you click on the link in the description by buy me a coffee, through buy me a coffee, so you can see that there is a demo here. You can just click on this, At first you have to give a password 456, and then again you have to click on this second link. Then you can see this template, and this is not $40. I have announced after you type a fair price or anything like the minimum price is 40. So if after you clicking on this, there will be a uh, discount code. So the discount code is, if you watch this full video, so you know the discount code winter. If you write also in capital, it will also apply. Okay, just apply this, and boom, and this is only $20. I am giving 50% off for this high converting landing page. Just add your card or any country and your information, email name, and show me your support by through buy me a coffee. So I am requesting you to win this product or template only for $20, and this is the limited time offer. Okay, so grab this high converting landing page for your small business setup. I mean the startup. So this is the how you can and don't need tablet too much. I mean tablet optimized. Just most of the case I have the experience of more than 2 years or 1 years, whatever you say. I have. You can also visit my Behance. Okay, you can also visit my Behance. You can see my designs, or you can follow me there. You can see that I have created multiple landing pages or theme designs. Or look, this is also high converting Shopify store I have created. So if you need, you can see this is the Behance link we will get from the YouTube links here. You can see that from here. So I am if you want this product template only just for $20, so just to go to the buy me a coffee link and sign up and just pay me only $20, and always use the winter code to get 50% off. And don't hesitate if you have any if you face any issue. So if you face any issue, just contact me through my WhatsApp. I will add in that video description WhatsApp, email, or Instagram, or there will several links. Okay, you can contact me through, or you can comment in the video. And after the confirmation you will get a message. Okay, so the video, look, I am showing you how you can get this template. After confirming the payment or purchase, you will you will be ahead to I mean you will be redirect to this confirmation message. You will get this video, and after the video you will see that the template will get automatically. This is the digital product, so no refund. So after that you will get this video or anything, I mean the instruction how to import in your Gempages. And this product is only I mean the templates is only used in Gempages. So thank you for watching this video. If you have watched this full video, so you know the discount code, and you can apply it to the buy me a coffee, and you can get just for $20 for the template. So thank you for watching this video, and if you get this video helpful, so please do subscribe, share, and follow me on the another links, my Behance, Facebook page, or follow my ID, and you can DM me for any type of issue you face. So thank you.